Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic that'll unveil the secret to stopping aging and keeping you feeling youthful. Are you ready to unlock the fountain of youth? Well, get ready because we're about to reveal the antioxidant secret that can help you defy the hands of time. But before we dive into the amazing world of antioxidants, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Healthline Champions, to join our community of health-conscious individuals. Let's jump right in. 1. Aging and free radicals. Aging is a natural process that we all go through, but did you know that free radicals play a significant role in accelerating this process? Those sneaky little molecules can wreak havoc on our bodies, causing oxidative stress and damaging our cells. But fear not, we have a superhero to the rescue. 2. Enter antioxidants. Cue the entrance of antioxidants. These powerful compounds act as our body's defense system, neutralizing those pesky free radicals and preventing them from causing further damage. It's like having an army of protectors inside our bodies. Now, let's talk about some of the superstar antioxidants that can be your secret weapon against aging. 3. Vitamin C, the youthful glow booster. First up, we have vitamin C, the ultimate glow booster. Not only does it promote collagen production, keeping your skin plump and youthful, but it also fights off free radicals, reducing wrinkles and fine lines. So, load up on citrus fruits and leafy greens to get your daily dose of this skin-loving antioxidant. 4. Resveratrol, cheers to longevity. Raise your glass to resveratrol. Found in red wine and grapes, this antioxidant has been linked to longevity and heart health. So, enjoy a glass of red wine, in moderation, of course, and toast to a longer, healthier life. 5. Green tea, sip your way to youth. Ah, the soothing elixir of green tea. Packed with antioxidants called catechins, it helps combat inflammation and protect against age-related diseases. Plus, it gives you a gentle energy boost without the crash. Sip on a cup of green tea and let the antioxidants work their magic. 6. Dark chocolate, indulgence with benefits. Now, who said indulgence couldn't be beneficial? Dark chocolate, rich in flavonoids and antioxidants, can help improve blood flow, reduce blood pressure, and even enhance cognitive function. So, go ahead and savor a piece guilt-free. 7. Maintaining a balanced lifestyle. While antioxidants are incredible, it's important to remember that they work best when complemented by a balanced lifestyle. Regular exercise, stress management, and a nutritious diet will further boost your anti-aging efforts. And speaking of balance, don't forget to strike that perfect balance between work, play, and subscribing to our YouTube channel, Healthline Champions. Hit that subscribe button and become a part of our vibrant community. Congratulations, you've learned the antioxidant secret to stop aging and keep yourself feeling youthful. Remember to incorporate antioxidant-rich foods into your diet, stay active, and take care of your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more health tips, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Healthline Champions. Together, let's champion our health and unlock the secrets to living our best lives. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.